like that. No reason. It's a 1 month lockdown, so me and Nisha also did it.
Courageous woman. I'm very happy. अपनी खेत की मूली है. In fact, from a long time, even I wanted to do it.
Do it.
Go ahead and do it, na.
Yes.
This is awesome. This is awesome. So you never once thought what people will think, log kya kahenge, and all those things.
No, I thought, but from June, me and Nisha are thinking
Very
to
good.
go Bali, but now it's 1 month lockdown, so we decided that in 1 month little hair will grow. So we thought
Yeah, yeah,
yesterday we fixed that we will do, and today dad did.
correct. Awesome,
And
huh?
mom and dad are also just do it. Don't worry.
I am so inspired by you. Man, it takes guts because for a woman to cut her hair, which she thinks makes her look so beautiful, is really awesome. And your parents, I salute them for giving you this opportunity.
And a few years back, my mom also went bald.
Ah,
Yes, and my younger sister also. They both went bald together on the same day. And me and Nisha now we both went. Today only we went bald in the morning.
okay, but have you given that hair to somebody or it's just gone
No,
with?
it's with dad. He makes wig, na real hair wig. So he is thinking of making it
Okay, the
from our hair.
great,
Yes.
yeah, great. I also feel like doing it. Shall I?
My best friend was also telling that I also want to do, but her mom and dad will not give her the permission.
But I really am proud of your parents as well for giving you this opportunity to, explore yourself. और अपनी खेत की मूली है यार, किसका permission क्यों लेना है? And this is
Yes,
something that's gonna come back. But I mean, hats off. Like this is called as total acceptance, and this is your
yes,
personality.
yes, ma'am. And I put it on my Insta story also, and I'll put it on my WhatsApp also.
Yeah, I have taken a photograph also of this, and I'm going to put it up. I am also going
Okay,
to put it up on the story.
okay, don't worry. I will send you my photo.
Yeah, send me the photo. I will write a nice
Yes, ma'am.
write up. Great. I think this is my greatest achievement for a personality development course. So let
Yes,
me.
I'm not feeling like embarrassed or shy. I'm like, okay, I don't care what people think.
And remember the first time that you came?
Yes, yes, I remember.
So can you tell me how was it the first time that you came? With what thoughts you came? With what kind of a mental attitude did you enter into my school of confidence?
On the first day when I came, I was not, I didn't thought that I would be this confident that I went now, Pal.
Hmm.
Uh, Really, I got a lot of confidence from you and from Almas ma'am.
Yeah.
Means I am very, very much thankful to both of you because my confidence and my improvement is seen by obviously by Nisha because she also keeps on telling me that I see a lot of changes in your confidence and in your English also because now I speak in my academy also in English with instructor also.
Wonderful.
So now I'm really confident and I want to improve and I will improve. I know because you are always with me. So I'll really improve.
Definitely, definitely. I'm
And
so happy.
thank you so much. This
Welcome.
is because of you because that confidence of going this what I am today. It is
Yeah.
because of you also somewhere because I didn't had that confidence to just go but like this.
See, you had all the
I,
beauty within you, but it was just wrapped, in a way which didn't look beautiful probably for your own eyes. Though for me, I could see the beauty within you. There was no exterior cover according to me, but you didn't see it yourself. Now you have begun to see it and begun to enjoy your own identity.
Yes,
So, when you begin to enjoy your own identity, you start growing up and reaching to a higher level. Now, not just the material aspects, but there are so many aspects in life that you want to explore and you want to learn
yes,
and you want to go forward.
yes.
So,
And I don't
okay,
want to think what the people will think, what they will say, because
yes,
I want to do what I want to do because I am who I am. I don't
correct,
have to think what others will think because yeah, because if that also I will think, then what they will think.
correct. अगर हम भी वो सोचेंगे कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे तो वो क्या सोचेंगे हम
हाँ
उसका काम नहीं करना चाहते उनको सोचने दो जो सोचना है
हाँ
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे कि आपने ये कदम लिया और आपको अपने ऊपर गर्व है आप जो चाहे कर सकते हैं दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लिविंग अ लिमिटलेस लाइफ so today
yes
the session for you would be कि if I was limitless or when I am limitless what is it that I can achieve. So today we are going to do a session on creative visualization. Maybe you can just take out your book and write down, or maybe just feel free to say what is coming to your mind, that you can be whatever you want to be, you can do what you want, then what is it that you will be doing?
uh, what is that I will be doing? I want to go out like this how I am now because today I went out to
Mm,
my best friend's place, but
mm,
I wore that cap, monkey cap is
yeah.
something like that. I wore that and I went to her home. And
Okay.
after going at her home, my two best friends were there. Na, other also came.
Huh.
So we went to her home and I removed my cap because they are my best friends. Or they will just laugh. I know they will laugh and
But
they
your
will
true
make my
challenge
videos
will
and
be,
photos.
yeah, but
What?
your true challenge will be when you go out without the cap.
Yes. So I am today also. I'm in Goregaon today. I came from Naigaon yesterday.
Hmm.
So today I will go after this session. I will again go to Naigaon. So there is my big full joint family is there, and
Okay.
so I am thinking that there I will not keep anything on my head. I
Hmm.
want to be like this only there also. So let's see I can do that or not because I want to do. But
Okay. This is
I
your
will
immediate goal. Okay.
yes.
This is your immediate goal. I want you to think about a future goal of what you would want to be in future. So we're just creating those moments now. So let's say 6 years from now, what would you be doing? Let's just imagine. What would you be doing? Where would you be? With whom would you be working?
6 years later, I would be working with great big stars in Bollywood,
Oh,
and maybe and if I go above that also,
hmm,
then maybe I'll go to Hollywood also as a hairdresser, hairstylist.
mm-hmm,
And I want, but mainly I want to be in Bollywood only,
hmm.
with big stars, male,
Okay.
female, hero, heroine,
For example, let's take any one star.
any one star.
Hmm,
Uh, Ranveer Singh.
all right. So I want you to do this exercise today itself, where you take Ranveer Singh ka photo and where I have the video no of yours, or you have the video of you cutting this one's hair, Vivek's hair.
No, oh, that video.
Ah,
That video is with, I think, it is with you.
with me. Okay.
You are, yeah,
Yeah. So I will do one thing. I will play it and I will send a print screen to you. So there, instead of Vivek, you will put Ranveer Singh's photo.
okay.
So
Means
you
I
have
will imagine.
no. You will find out
So,
from the this. what you say, from the magazines or something, a scene in which he is sitting the same way as this one is sitting, Vivek is sitting.
Okay.
So
Yes.
side post wala ऐसा वो बैठा है जैसा, and you will
So
stick.
I'll cut it and okay. So the photo you will send me, I have to take a printout of it, and
No,
I have to
no, no,
take.
no, 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 no.
I have
Do
to
one thing.
edit it in the mobile only.
No, no. In the mobile only you edit it. So instead of his photograph, you put
I
Ranveer's
will.
photograph.
Okay. Okay.
So as if you are cutting Ranveer's hair.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I
Now,
got it.
now for a moment, I want you to close your eyes and just go through this series of things. Okay, that I tell you. So just
Okay.
close your eyes, relax yourself, allow the energy to flow from the tip of your toes, and just relax. Feel the peace within you. Allow yourself to feel very nice as slowly the energy is moving from the tip of your toes to your ankles, to your feet, to your knees, to your thighs, to your hips, and as it flows through your stomach to the back, your chest, your shoulders, right to the tip of your fingers, back from the tip of your fingers, right through your arms, to your shoulders, the back of your neck, your throat, the back of your head, your face, and the point between your eyebrows. Focus your attention a moment towards the point between your eyebrows and see yourself with Ranbir Kapoor. Imagine that it's something like a where they change and all. No, what is that called? That big truck like thing,
Van.
vanity van, right? The
Yes.
vanity van.
Yes. Yes.
So imagine that you are in the vanity van and Ranveer Kapoor has just come after the shoot and he's saying, "Hey Neha, come on, yeah, give me that haircut that you were talking about. It has to be perfect." And he comes in the style and he says, "Yes, sir, I'm ready with the this." And he's sitting there and you put the apron around his neck and his hair you have to cut in a style which is challenging style for you. And you're saying, "Okay, fine." And he's talking to you about, how did you do this daring act of you decided to shave off your head? And you're talking to him that, "Yes, I really felt that I should go in for this challenge. I got a lot of support from Nisha." And Ranveer is saying, "Really, this is crazy. I've never heard about any girl do this at her age, especially when you didn't even have a boyfriend." And he's really praising you, and you're cutting his hair, and within 10 minutes you have already cut his hair the way he wanted it. And then he says, "Yeah, this really looks nice, I like it." And you say, "Just a minute, I'll just style it for you." And you just give it a little bit of style and the look that the director wants. And then there's knock knock on the vanity door, and the director comes in and says, "Sir, dekh lu kya?" The makeup artist is there. And says, "Sir, ये तो बिल्कुल बराबर है, जैसा वो कैरेक्टर में बोला था बिल्कुल वैसा ही है, and it's good." And he just looks at you and say, "Neha, this is wonderful, and you're feeling awesome, you're feeling on the top of the world." Can you feel that feeling?
Yes.
Can you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
that amazing energy coming out from him, and he gives you a bear hug, and you really feel, "Oh my god, this is a moment." And you tell him, "Sir, ek selfie ho jaye." And then he says, "Of course, sure, why not, love main karta hu." And he holds the phone and he takes a selfie with you, and you are like amazing, having stars in your
Yes,
eyes, and you
ma'am.
feel good. And says, "Neha, you've done a wonderful job, see you." And he leaves the vanity van, and you're dumbstruck and you're really feeling awesome. You remove the phone and you call up Nisha and say, "Nisha, I've done it. It was superb. Thank you so much. It is amazing. I am so happy today." And then you
Yes,
pack your
ma'am.
bags and you go home, and you have this selfie posted everywhere, and you're really feeling awesome. And the person who had hired you is telling, "Wonderful, good job, अब मुझे तुम पे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, अब हम तुमको हर एक ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी के पास ले जाएंगे." And you see your dad there and he has tears in his eyes and he says, "Wow, Neha, I'm proud of you. अभी हम आमिर खान के साथ जाएंगे, उनकी बेटी का हमको हेयर स्टाइलिंग करनी है और वो तू ही करेगी. So Ira Khan is there for you, and then you have that kind of confidence. You decide to get yourself the best outfit from the money that you have received, you know, your first celebrity pay that you're getting, and it is
Yes.
amazing to you, and you really feeling that yes, Neha is a celebrity hairstylist and hairdresser. So Neha's salon will somewhere be opened up soon.
Yes.
Yes. Feels good.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
experience the happiness is my question.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
you felt those emotions. So there are 70 trillion cells in your body. How many?
70 trillions.
Yeah, 70 trillion cells in your body. And each of that cell, you have given them a smiley. So it's like 70 trillion smileys are doing their work together for you as their boss.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, that's so good.
Yeah. So now you can manifest whatever you want in your life. But this exercise you have to do every day
Okay.
from today onwards. This
So
feeling,
I'll have to.
yeah, whatever we created the scene,
Ye-
no,
Yes.
same scene you have to create in your mind and experience that feelings. You can imagine that I'm saying all these things and you know exactly how it happened. So you remember. So you start telling all
Yes.
these things to yourself, see the scene and experience that moment now. This is a moment in future, but you are experiencing it now. Okay. So every day,
Okay. Yes.
when you give this picture to your brain, your subconscious mind will pull up opportunities, will come forward with situations where you are actually making this in a physical reality.
Okay.
लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सोचते हैं कि ये टाइप ऑफ ड्रेस ना मैं एक दिन खरीदूंगी, एंड वो एक दिन में वो एक
Yes.
टाइप
Yes.
ऑफ ड्रेस मिल ही जाता है आपको, राइट? सो हाँ,
Yes. Yes.
सो अगर आपके दिमाग में वो कैपेसिटी है क्रिएट करने की, जिस तरह से आपने क्रिएट किया, तो उसका सच होना ही होना है.
Yes. I had read this somewhere.
या
What you
दिस
are
इज
saying
कॉल्ड,
now that we should imagine our means what we have to be in our future.
right. So
Oh,
this is called as, I mean, this is told by one phrase which is called as thoughts become things. Thoughts
okay.
become things. So if you see it here, you hold it in your hand.
Okay.
That is what it means.
Yes.
All right. So thoughts become
Yes. Yes.
things.